Okay, hi everyone. Today we are looking at a very special question, and this question, as you can see, at the top left-hand corner, it says that this is a question from Psle year 2019. Now, City had a rectangular piece of paper. So what I want to do is I want to draw a rectangular piece of paper I can estimate. All right, I'm not too sure how 35 cm looks like, so I'm just going to do a rough, just a quick estimate. Okay, so just a sketch. Make sense? Now, what she wants to do is this. Okay, she wants to cut out as many squares as possible from the paper. Okay, now I know a lot of you will be like, oh, so if that is the case, I'm just going to find the area of this paper, then divided by the area of the square. No, you never do that. You never ever do that, okay? What do you want to do is you want to, okay, make sure you find part by part. So what I'm going to ask myself is this, okay? How many squares can I cut from the length? Understand? So what I will do is, okay, I will do this first. Okay, I will find the number of squares I can cut from the length. Okay, so for the length, okay, the number of squares I can cut from the length will be 35 divided by 5. Which is 7. Okay, that means I can cut out 7 from this part. Can you see that? Yeah. Now then I'm gonna do the same thing for the breadth. Okay, now but the breadth, you can see that is not a multiple of 5, right? 24.6 divided by 5, you know you're not gonna get a very nice number, correct or not? So 24.6 divided by 5, okay, that gives me 4.92. Now, round up or round down? You definitely round down.
Because we want the number of the total.
Yeah, the whole. The full. The fixed. Yes. Yes. So over here has to be 4 lah. You understand what I'm saying? I don't have. How can I have 5? How can I have 5? Right now. Yeah. So I can only have 4. Make sense? Okay. So once I'm done with this, right? So what I'm trying to say is that if I draw for you just a quick one, I will have 7 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I know this is a cute square, but okay, I'm just gonna circle for simplicity's sake. Okay, and then how many do I have over here? 4. Make sense? Now then my question to you is this, right? How many squares in total can I cut? I just have to do 7 times 4. Okay, and that helps me to very good. So number of squares in total, number of full squares. In fact, I want to use the word full squares I can cut, or not I but City can cut. So how many number of full squares City can cut? It will be 7 times 4. All right, so over here you get to 28 full squares or 28 squares. Okay, so you can see that I've answered to my B question. Agree so far? Now, then the question says, what area of the paper was left? Very simple, right? To find what is left, I first have to ask myself, how much or what is the area of the paper that I have, correct? So the first thing I'm going to find is the area of the rectangular piece of paper. What is that? 35 times 24.6. You all agree so far? All right, so 35 times 24.6, I get to 861. Okay, now, but how much did I cut? I cut out how much? I cut out 28. So the area of the 28 square. All right, so area of 28 square will be 28 times 5 times 5. Agree so far? So 28 times 25. Okay, what exactly is 28 times 25? We get to 700. Okay, then the question is not asking you how much did I use, but the question is asking you how much was left. So area left, very simple. Area left will then now be 861 minus 700. And therefore, my answer for the first part is 161 centimeter square. And this is my answer for this question. Bye.